Okay, today I'm going to show you how to put the most dirt into your bucket. Keisha's like, pet my belly. That's her favorite thing, belly rub. Look at this. Find a hot spot, her leg starts kicking you. That's hilarious. Ain't you, Keisha? Whoa. Come on. She don't want me to go. I'm coming back. I'm just gonna go get something. Here, Lily, let's play some fetch. Super fast. I'm gonna put her in one of them races where you chase the rabbit. I bet she'd keep up pretty good. Be so little. Okay, another thing you gotta watch out for, like if you're doing this with gravel, you get stuff down into your loader arm right here. This is just dirt, so this won't hurt. But if you get gravels down in there, I'd say it probably do damage after a while. Now we're gonna try some gravel, show you how to get the most of it. So this right here is probably the max weight it can pick up. Hey, you see what I mean about this? They're already starting to fall in there. Yeah, just keep an eye on that. Okay, now I'm going to show you how far the bucket goes up. Let me get the camera farther back. Goes up high enough for me. You could probably, I used it to get mulch off the truck and everything. So it's about the perfect height. It's easy to haul in this trailer I got too. The tractor itself weighs about 1,400 pounds. And my trailer can haul 7,000. And my truck, the pulling weight capacity is probably around 8,000. I got the Ram 1500 2018. Okay, right here there's a little level gauge on the side, and you can see it's red and white around the corner there. And you want to put it all the way down as flat as possible, and when you go into the dirt, keep it like that, and you wait till the wheels can't go anymore, and then you pick up with the loader, and then you go forwards again. Pick up, go forwards, kind of like a staircase. And that's how you get the most dirt into your bucket. And right now I'm just getting the rocks out of the dirt, and so I can actually use this dirt to level some of my land. But I have the rockiest soil I've ever seen in my life. So yeah, once I get all these rocks out, I'm putting them in near the creek bank over there, so I can, when it rains and stuff, it washes the bank in, and I'm losing a lot of ground on my side. So this will actually help in the long run. Right now I'm just scattering it out. Makes it easier to hand pick them. And we're getting ready to go in for another scoop. And you just want to staircase it. And yeah, you'll get tons of dirt that way. Alrighty, well I'm going to cut some music on for us and speed this up. And you can see what all I get accomplished in this video. And hope you enjoy. Let me know what video you would like to see, and I'll post it. Thanks for watching.